A curious cat got its head stuck in a food can, and today you'll learn English by following its heartwarming rescue. Hello and welcome. Today, we will practice your intermediate English with a true, heartwarming story. I will speak in slow and clear English so you can understand everything. In this video, we will follow a special rescue mission by the Edinburg Fire Department. You will learn new vocabulary and improve your listening skills. First, you will hear the complete story in English. Then, we will review the story together with English and Spanish text on the screen. After that, we will look at some key vocabulary words and a useful expression. And finally, I will ask you some questions to check your understanding. Let's begin. In the quiet city of Edinburg, Texas, a normal day took a dangerous turn for a small, curious cat. Driven by hunger or curiosity, the little feline put its head inside an empty metal food can. But when it tried to pull its head out, it was completely stuck. The can was like a tight metal helmet, trapping the scared animal. It was a feline emergency, and the poor cat was trapped and helpless. Luckily, a kind person saw the cat in distress and knew they had to act fast. They made a call for help, and soon, the heroes of the Edinburg Fire Department arrived. The big, red fire truck pulled up, and a team of firefighters from Station 2 got out, ready to face this unusual challenge. They were the cat's only hope. The rescue operation was delicate and tense. The cat was frightened, and the metal can was sharp. The firefighters had to be extremely careful not to hurt the animal. One firefighter, a man with a gentle but firm grip, carefully held the cat's body to keep it still and calm. He spoke to it in a soft, soothing voice, trying to reassure the terrified creature. His partner, a female firefighter, assessed the situation. She realized they couldn't just pull the can off. They needed precision. She selected a small pair of tin snips, a special tool for cutting metal. With steady hands and immense concentration, she began to make small, careful cuts into the rim of the can, away from the cat's fur and skin. Everyone held their breath. Each small snip of the metal was a step closer to freedom. Finally, after a few tense moments, she made the last cut. The team carefully bent the metal open and gently slid the can off the cat's head. Freedom! The cat blinked in the bright daylight, looking a little confused but visibly relieved. The moment was filled with emotion and a huge sense of success. But their job wasn't over. The firefighters gently checked the cat for any injuries around its neck and head. They gave it a gentle touch of compassion, making sure it was safe and sound before letting it go. Thankfully, the cat was unharmed, just a little scared. It was a happy ending, thanks to the quick and careful work of these gentle giants. This heartwarming rescue is a great reminder for all pet owners. It's important to dispose of cans and containers properly to prevent accidents like this. The Edinburg Fire Department showed that they are true community heroes, ready to help any resident, no matter how small. They didn't just save a cat, they showed the power of kindness and professionalism. Great job! Now, let's review the story. I will say the sentences in English first, and then you will hear them in Spanish. You will also see the text for both languages on the screen. In the quiet city of Edinburg, Texas, a normal day took a dangerous turn for a small, curious cat. It was completely stuck. En la tranquila ciudad de Edinburg, Texas, un día normal dio un giro peligroso para un pequeño y curioso gato. Quedó completamente atascado. Luckily, a kind person saw the cat in distress and knew they had to act fast. The heroes of the Edinburg Fire Department arrived. Por suerte, una persona amable vio al gato en apuros y supo que tenía que actuar rápido. Llegaron los héroes del Departamento de Bomberos de Edimburgo. The rescue operation was delicate and tense. He spoke to it in a soft, soothing voice. La operación de rescate fue delicada y tensa. Le habló con una voz suave y tranquilizadora. They needed precision. She began to make small, careful cuts into the rim of the can. Necesitaban precisión. Comenzó a hacer pequeños y cuidadosos cortes en el borde de la lata. Everyone held their breath. The cat blinked in the bright daylight, visibly relieved. Todos contuvieron la respiración. El gato parpadeó bajo la luz del día, visiblemente aliviado. They checked the cat for any injuries. Thankfully, the cat was unharmed. Revisaron al gato en busca de heridas. Afortunadamente, el gato estaba ileso. This heartwarming rescue is a great reminder for all pet owners. They showed the power of kindness and professionalism. Este conmovedor rescate es un gran recordatorio para todos los dueños de mascotas. Demostraron el poder de la amabilidad y el profesionalismo. Excellent. Now let's learn some key vocabulary from the story. Our first word is stuck. Stuck. This is an adjective. It means unable to move from a particular position. For example, the cat was stuck in the can. Next, distress. Distress. This is a noun. It means a state of great danger or unhappiness. For example, a kind person saw the cat in distress. Then we have delicate. Delicate. This is an adjective. It means needing to be done with great care and skill. For example, the rescue operation was delicate and tense. And finally, unharmed. Unharmed. This adjective means not hurt or damaged. For example, thankfully, the cat was unharmed. Now for our useful expression of the day, to hold one's breath. This expression means to wait for something to happen, feeling very anxious or excited. In the story, we said, everyone held their breath, while the firefighter cut the can. It means they were watching anxiously, waiting to see what would happen. Alright, it's time to check your understanding. I will ask you a question. I will pause for a few seconds so you can think of the answer. Then, I will show you the correct answer. Question 1. Why was the cat in a dangerous situation? The cat was in danger because its head was stuck in a metal food can. Question 2. What special tool did the firefighters use to free the cat? They used a small pair of tin snips to cut the can. Question 3. What did the firefighters do immediately after removing the can? They checked the cat for any injuries to make sure it was unharmed. Question: Why was the cat in a dangerous situation? A. Because its head was stuck in a metal food can. B. ¿Por qué estaba el gato en una situación peligrosa? R. Porque su cabeza estaba atascada en una lata de comida metálica. Question: What special tool did the firefighters use? A. They used a small pair of tin snips. B. ¿Qué herramienta especial usaron los bomberos? R. Usaron un pequeño par de tijeras para hojalata. Question: What did they do after removing the can? A. They checked the cat for any injuries. B. ¿Qué hicieron después de quitar la lata? R. Revisaron al gato en busca de heridas. Congratulations on completing this lesson. You did a fantastic job today. If you enjoyed this story and want to keep improving your English, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss our next story. Now, for your homework. In the comments below, write a sentence using one of the new vocabulary words or the expression we learned today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.